this video, I'm just going to teach you how you can just download original images from Figma. First of all, go to your Figma project and then click mouse right button and go to plugins and click on here find more plugins and just type here the plugin name export original images and click on a plugin. And if you want to save this plugin, just click on here the save button to save it. Or right now I just want to run it, so just click on the run button, then you will get to see like this. So let me show you how it's gonna work. So right now you get to see here the selection, all the selected layers are all selected layers in and children's. So in my case, I want to export only number 3. So I just click on number 3 and I just click on here all these selected layers and just click on export button to export it. So as you can see, when I click on export, instantly I get the same image on my computer. It's totally like this, as you can see. I get this image. But if you want to download more or like a similar, like more, then just press on shift how many you want, and after this just click on this export button.